Hi everyone, Tyler here from TW-Waytek. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up Microsoft Fabric capacity for a Power BI workspace from the Azure Portal. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Azure Portal. And then from there you're going to want to either select an existing resource group or create a new one. So I have one here called Research. So from this resource group, we're going to create, essentially select a new service. So from up here, we can type in Fabric capacity, and Microsoft Fabric comes up. You're going to want to select Create Fabric. And here, this is my default Azure subscription. You can select yours if you have multiple. The resource group is already created. You're going to want to give it a name. Let's say Waytek Fabric. Select your region closest to you, and then your capacity size. Oh, that already exists. I'll just put test in there. Already exists. Testing. How's that? Oh, come on. Oh, my bad. All lowercase. All lowercase. And then from here, for the size, you're going to want to select your capacity units. Your options are from F2 to F2048. You can see the cost estimation by month. So select carefully. I'm just going with the F2. That's actually what we're trying in the company I'm contracting with now. So 2 capacity units, select. And then for the capacity administrator, obviously put yourself. And if there's other groups or individuals you want to add here. So click Review and Create. And just one quick note, so there's an option to change this after the fact. So I'll show you when we get to that spot. So here you would just click Review and Create. So you can see your estimated cost, available information. Here you would just select Create. So I already have one created. So Waytek Fabric. So under settings, you can go to capacity administrators, and then here you can add your capacity administrators. So typically in your organization, you most likely going to be those who are creating work groups, or sorry, workspaces within the Power BI service. So just make sure to include those individuals here. And once you do that, then we can go to the Power BI. One other important note here is you can turn this capacity on and off. So I have it paused. So let me just resume it so I can show you how to add it to your workspace. So it's been restarted. So let's go to Power BI. So from the home, you're going to want to select a workspace, either create a new one or use an existing one. So I have this test environment. And if we go up to workspace, you want to go to licensing info. And from here, like right now I have the Fabric trial as the license. You want to go to edit, and then from here you can select, you'll notice that the Fabric capacity is no longer grayed out, and you can select here. When you select it, you're going to want to select your the capacity license. So this is the one that we created in Azure, the Waytek Fabric in East US 2. and then select your semantic model storage. Unless you're working with some very big data, your small model should suffice. And that's about it. You would select here and apply, and then you can see the current license and then the license information, and you're ready to go. So you can come over to your lower left, click on the Power BI icon, and you can work with any of these components of Microsoft Fabric: Data Factory, Engineering, Science, Warehouse, and among others. For more information on this video and more, make sure to visit my website at TW-Waytek.com. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. So that concludes my video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to get all the latest technology tips, and to visit my website at TW-Waytek.com, where you'll find even more tips and tricks. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.